Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to get double tap screen off and on any Android device without needing any third-party apps. We'll guide you through the easy built-in settings. Now let's get started. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon to open settings. This is where you control all system preferences, including display options. Step 2. Tap on lock screen. This section lets you customize your screen's behavior, including brightness, wallpaper, and useful features. Step 3. Find and select double tap to turn on screen. Enabling this lets you wake your phone by double tapping the screen. You can also enable double tap to turn off screen to power down by double tapping an empty area on the home or lock screen. Now you can enjoy the convenience of double tapping your screen to quickly turn it on or off. Try locking your screen and double tapping to wake it up. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple Android tips and tricks.